Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got a 2013 Civic SI. We're gonna do a BC racing coilover install. Actually this is a friend of mine. He owned this car. He's been a really good friend of mine, so I finally able to convince him to put some coilovers on his car, because he's been keeping the car stuck for like years. There you go. Yes sir. What do we have?
It's all well packaged.
That's with the rear? Yeah, it's the rear.
It should be the springs.
Rear. This is rear. Oh cool, comes with the soy bar links too. That's crazy. There we go, that's good.
The coil is insane.
Yeah. That's everything? Okay.
That'll be all.
So speaking of this car, he has it for like 3 years and he hasn't really done anything to this car. So this is gonna be like his first modification. The goal is to get the right fitment, not too low. As you can see, it's got like 4-finger gap, but we're gonna bring it down a little bit. But again, not too crazy. So we went ahead and got the wheels removed. Right now we're gonna take out the 14mm bolt. That's gonna be taped right there. Let's see. And then over here we got two 19mm bolts. One right here, one down there. Got the soy bar end link. We're gonna take that out, and then we're gonna drop the suspension. It'll come loose out. And then we're gonna replace it with the BC coilover. It shouldn't be that hard. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we took the original struts out from the front. We disconnect the soy bar end link. Now we're gonna replace it with the BC coilover. Just make sure to read the directions. We got the Honda Civic 2012 Plus. This is gonna be the front right, so it's gonna slide this right in. They're gonna provide it. They provided with the 3 bolts. That's gonna be mounted on top to the chassis, and then we're gonna slide this right in. Connect these 2 rods. Put the aftermarket tow bar end link. This is a little bit shorter than the OEM ones. Reconnect your oil lines and then your speed sensor, and you should be good to go with the front. Alright, so the next step I like to do to install the aftermarket solar bar end link. Just kind of making sure that this is going to go right through. This is a 17mm bolt. Go ahead and do the one at the bottom too. Alright, and then let's go ahead and mount the oil line.
What happened?
The other side too. Let's go ahead and get the other side. Okay, so we already took the wheels off. There's gonna be a 14mm bolts holding your strut. It's gonna be like this. Take that out and let's go to the trunk. In your trunk, move your carpet in a little bit, and there's going to be another 14 which is going to be holding your strut from the top. Just like that. Loosen that one, take all the mounting brackets and everything off.
Emotional damage.
So it's gonna hammer this out just like that. Alright, so now that you took out the strut, it's time to get your spring out. It's gonna be a little bit tough, but the easiest way you can do, make sure to take off your soy bar end link for the rear. Take the bolts out. It's gonna be a 14mm. If you've rusted, hit it with the WD-40. It's gonna be fine. Take it out, put it back, and trust me, it'll be 1,000 times easier. And then we use like a crowbar, and then we just like hit it, and then we stuck it out. Now it's time to put the BC coilover for the rear. Just gonna slide this right in. Like that. Gonna get the jack. Just gonna slide this part to the top. Make sure everything's good in there. Everything is good. Okay, so we got the struts in, got the springs in, everything's tied up. Just gonna put the wheels back on, get the car lowered. We're just gonna give it a wash, and the customer's on his way to pick the car, and should be good to go.